My name's Jamie Cousins and I'm a director at Anglo Fortune Asset Management. I set up the company in 2017 and we came to our first construction, which is 45 Mill Harbour, which is the development we're sat in. Hyperoptic started working on the building almost immediately post-completion actually, which was at the start of July. Within 6 weeks I think we'd gone from the initial process of putting the fibre optic into the building to it being within every apartment, which I have to say was quite impressive. What's impressed me most about the product that Hyperoptic provide is the fact it's always exceeded the residents' expectations. I think typically in something of this scale, the likelihood is internet service provision is an area that's going to cause some hiccups. Here, there's not been a single comment on whether it's fast enough. It's always exceeded expectations for any resident. Real standout point of their kind of first experience is that they can get day one connectivity. It's up and running within no time, and it's very, very easy to go through the motions. To anybody else working with new build developments in the area of any kind of reasonable scale, I would say that one of the kind of standout points and benefits of working with somebody like Hyperoptic is their technical know-how and the ease in which they deliver their product. Our forecast is that we are likely to double in size in terms of the portfolio that we look after over the next 2 to 3 years. I wouldn't want to do one without having Hyperoptic in it. So there's my honest answer with regards to using Hyperoptic again, absolutely 100%.